Design a custom feature offers more options for customizing a map by adding features that are not already included in the standard feature set. Download the Features tip sheet to see all of the available features built into the app before creating a custom feature. Designing a custom feature is a two-step process. A feature type is created, given a general name such as pasture, and customized. The feature is then given a specific name such as heifer pasture and added to a map. Create a custom feature by first clicking on the Add Feature button in the right column of the map. When the Add Feature pop-up box appears, click on the Design a Custom Feature link at the bottom right of the pop-up. Step 1. The pop-up box title changes to Add a Custom Feature with selections for creating a feature type. Choose either a zone, enclosed area, a path, or line of direction, or a marker, which is a specific location. For this demonstration, I'm choosing a zone. After making the choice, the pop-up box expands. Give the custom feature type a unique but more general name. Choose a color for the custom feature by moving the bottom circle of the color scale right or left. The bottom circle helps with choosing where on the color scale, such as red, orange, yellow, green, etc., you want the feature color to be. Choose a bright color that will show up on the map. Then click and move the upper circle at the left to choose the range of color within the scale. Click the Use a Shaded Fill box if you want to make the color choice for the feature type semi-transparent or semi-see-through. Once a color is chosen for the designed feature type, it cannot be edited, so be sure about the color chosen at this point. Click the Create Custom Feature button. Step 2. After creating the custom feature, give the feature a unique name such as heifer pasture or sheep pasture. Click the Create Feature button and add it to a map. The custom feature will be added to the list of features in the right column of the map and will be included in the map legend. The custom feature, once placed, can be edited like the standard map features.